Respected principal sir and teachers and my dear friends, good afternoon to everyone. My name is G. Mokshit. I am studying 4th class. Today I am explain about square roots. 1 to 16 square roots. My name is Y. Pranit Reddy. 1 square is 1. My name is Sri Sai Likit. 2 square is 4. My name is K. Bhavyasri. 3 square is 9. My name is E. Teja. 4 square is 16. My name is B. Hemant Reddy. 5 square is 25. My name is E. Bhaushita. 6 square is 36. My name is P. Hasmi. 7 square is 49. My name is V. Bharat Kumar. I am 8 square is 64. My name is K. Dixit. 9 square is 81. My name is Y. Navdeep. 10 square is 100. My name is G. Mokshit. 10 square is equals to 100. 11 square is equals to 121. 12 square is equals to 144. 13 square is equals to 169. 14 square is equals to 196. 15 square is equals to 225. 16 square is equals to 256. Thank you for giving this opportunity.